Flavor. Woo! Jesus.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
Hey.
Morning, morning. What's up, fam? Real Jamaican life here. Today, we are going to be cooking. We are going to be cooking some fried dumpling and some baked bean and franks. Yeah, but we're not going to use over where we normally use. I am going into the bush area now today. I'm going into the bush area to do some cooking. Me and the entire family. So, journey with us.
Yes, people, we're on with journey. Yeah, we're still on with journey. We stop by one guinea tree, yeah, guinea season. Yeah, enough guinea upon tree. No. So them beautiful. You want some? You have to come for it. Yeah, we Dutch pot. Container with water. I want another bag, you know.
Food stuff.
Alright, the food.
So we are going to get some stone to put in this and some sticks. Yeah, people. So country girl here. Table is here.
Yeah.
Ingredients. Yeah, people. So it's a beautiful country area, you know. Yeah, beautiful place, you know. They are country, you know. So we are going to see if we can get some stick over here. So. Boy, look like it's stick them gone. I'm going to use some of them bramble here. I'm going to use some of them here. Country girl look like them here we have to go use, you know. Here? So country girl, I can chop. I go try chop. I go try. You know.
What is doing?
Try chop some sticks.
How much that one?
1, 2, 3, 4. And she tired. 4 and she tired. 4 and she tired. 4 and country girl boss.
Let me go a different angle. Can I tell you mash it a lick panda one day?
Come babe. Stand firm, stand firm. Yeah, macaron up in a country girl foot, you know? Yeah.
Alright. I want that tough, me not like. Solid.
See? Country girl I use machete.
Look there. I want that solid. I want to rotten stick this.
Good to make fire, you know?
Yeah. Getting some sticks, man. Yeah, I want to say big up to my daddy, you know, him teach me how to use machete and all of these things, you know. Yeah, big up to you, daddy. In that area where him live, them call him Army. Or fisherman. Big up yourself. Alright, this is what we got so far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next we are going to look some little bramble, you know, so we can't do without. The bram. Yeah, we can't do without that one day. See, even little carry one piece of stick there. Yes, sir. Go on, my baby. Yes, so we're on our journey back now. We'll make you know when we reach because we have to stick them in our hand.
Yes, so people, we are back. These are the sticks that we got. We are going to start the ball rolling.
Challenge though.
Yes, so we have a salt, we have a baking powder,
Mosquito, they over here,
we
me
have
nah
a
lie.
franks, we have a flour, we have a baked bean. So what we are cooking today We are
cornmeal.
cooking baked bean and franks with some fried dumpling. Alright, so come along with us.
And a little sugar. Now a little matches. Light up with one and go.
Which is right. While country girl go and get the one and go ready, I go knead up the flour and so forth. Okay people, so when you are doing your fried dumpling, so with me here, the breeze is very gusty over here and the table with up on really so firm, so you add your flour. I use pound and half of flour.
Depending on the amount of flour.
Depending on the amount of dumplings. So we are going to be kneading our flour now. Alright. You don't want to knead the dough too soft. You just want it to be right, you know. Yeah people, so this is the dough for the fried dumpling. Right. And that's it. Go and cover this up now. Alright, so
Breeza try fight me, you know.
country girl I go try again. We are attempting to see if she can take back the record of a one and go. Alright, in 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, go.
Please, please, don't do this. Don't disappoint me.
Okay people, so we are out here cooking in the bush. We take bush today. We are cooking. Country girl is attempting to take back a record of one and go fire.
I haven't lost it.
Yes, lost it.
No.
Yeah, so here is country girl.
And the plastic
Lighting.
me I worry about now because I don't know if I go find no more.
Yeah,
If
plastic
this no
man.
work.
Oh, plastic man. Seems like something a go on. Seems like something going on.
I haven't lost it. We are talk about. Can't take this from me now.
One and
In
go.
my blood.
See it
What
there.
you say?
See it there. Alright. So
That's
people.
why I'm look a bram them set it up. Never disappoints.
Wait, Julie.
Yeah, fire is blazing, blazing, blazing. We are going to throw in with I'll know. Keep on blazing, blazing, blazing. That should be enough. Beautiful, ain't it?
Your video? Alright people, so oil in a pot, dumpling ready for drop. Fire gone, which is right.
Fire they need to extract.
See it there.
Extraction plan.
Fire bubble. Yeah mama, press them down quick. Make oil go through all of them, you know? Yeah, so see the people.
Alright, so here we have with tomatoes. We have one little piece of time because I don't want this spoil taste. We have some scallion, some sweet pepper, and some hot pepper. More like seasoned pepper this. They're not really hot. Yeah, that we're gonna use and season up with baked bean and franks.
So country girl is here. Going to add her seasoning in the pot.
Wanna add the pepper first to get the fish flavor. Woo! Jesus.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
Hey yo! Woo!
Country girl, I've got a real chef thing this.
Hey, this never happened to me before.
No, don't put no water in there, no. Throw in the seasoning. Throw in them there.
No!
Throw in them.
Make it come out!
So we are going to add the baked beans. Real sizzle. What a sizzle. Which is right, which is right. So that's our baked beans. Blazing fire. No? So country girl is going to
cut up the franks. What I did want to do still, you know, I did want to fry up the franks first, then me add the baked bean, but because I want to take out mine, yeah, I do it that way here.
so we add our franks.
The fire high, so no one to burn up seat already. I dry out the baked bean.
People, frankfurter, baked bean over wood fire, Jamaican style, you know. Season up on everything. This is our baked bean, finished, ready. No? Yeah, take it off now. These are our fried dumpling.
What?
This is our baked bean and frankfurter. Country girl is here. Country girl is going to be the one to taste it. Country girl don't eat franks, so she will have to taste
Mine.
hers. And we are going to let the children them.
You can see
Yes.
the seasoning of mine better. The seasoning they cannot burn up because you see the pepper catch a fire. The pepper catch a pot of fire, so when I throw in the seasoning, I'm still frightened.
Alright, so she is about to.
Yeah, delicious.
Alright.
Dumpling, dumpling, dumpling.
Ooh, nice.
Taste it with the dumpling, dumpling. Mmm. Try it.
Alright. Go ahead. Tell us how it tastes.
Nice.
Okay. Okay. So kids, how did you enjoy your camp out today?
It was fun.
Okay.
Um,
What happened to you now?
not so fun.
Why it wasn't so fun?
Because you were stubborn.
Okay.
Taste.
But you enjoy yourself? Okay. And this is my niece, right? She is Pinky. So anytime I see her, Pinky.